What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, man, we just gonna bust a block, man. We're gonna be cutting up a little bit. And brown coat, man. I'm gonna set the GoPro up. Y'all know, out the window. Cause I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. We just gonna keep the camera rolling. Like I said, I've been wanting to do this, but with brown coat, I be having to wait till the weather pretty warm. Like it feel pretty good out here today. I gotta say that it do feel pretty good. So we're gonna pull out brown coat, man. I got it uncovered, everything moved, all that good stuff. But boom, boom, bam. So you know, I'm finna set that camera up, man. We finna enjoy the day. Cause like I said, I do not drive this thing when it real cold. When it real cold. Cause it ain't got no heat. And it get frosty in there, man. I'm telling you, it get frosty in there. So yeah, man, we finna bust some blocks. Cause it feel good today. So yeah, man, let's do it. Shop, man. Not the one in now. Then go by old shop, man. At least I'm finna leave me a little message. I don't like the way they did my aunt, man. I ain't gonna get into all that, but just know we're gonna be turned up one time. I'll leave some mean ones out there too. Leave some mean ones, boy. I've been saying I'm gonna do it, but today is the day. See, I got time today. I got time today. Man, there's been a lot of turning up going on over here too, y'all. Another turn up here. Y'all what? I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get back over there by old shop. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, we're checking in, y'all. for. You did. I gotta hook that back line on, man. You gotta pray. You gotta get down on them boy. Then it gonna shift. Yes, indeed, boy. It going down. Yes, indeed. Hey, man. Way back, yeah, I used to call folks out, man. Go in front of their spot. Lay it down. Lay it down, man. Give them the memo. Yeah, I used to go down back in the day, man. It was fun, man. It was fun back then. I don't be doing none of that stuff, man. Folks take stuff too serious. That's why I tell you I don't be racing to anybody. I just race whoever when I go to the track, man. I don't do none of that call out, none of that crazy stuff no more. Folks don't know how to have a good time, man. They say they do, but they don't. Yes, indeed. Well, it can go down. Just know. Yeah, I know they were old shot right here. Old shot, but you know, people do different stuff, act a certain way, you know. So I do what I do best. I'm about to do what I do best. Like Jay was here. Hey, well, we got a car coming. Man, I ought to put y'all a GoPro. I should put y'all a GoPro on the back so y'all can see. Cause y'all know what? Nah, I ain't gonna do that. I ain't gonna do that. Look, I think they might be over here, but it finna go down. Oh yeah, it finna go down, y'all. I better believe it. We ain't never scared like bone crushing. Right in front too, y'all. It's going down. Woo! Good ones back there, boy. There's some good ones, boy. Turn up one time. Yes, indeed. That's how we do it. Turn up one time. I was just playing. I ain't leaving no marks back there. Y'all ain't seen nothing. Ain't nobody seen no mark. Just heard the motor revving up. That's all that was. I was not even spinning. I wasn't even spinning, y'all. Riding around Marvin today. Good cool L. Boy, like running like a top, well. It will all say, will all be like running like a top, well. Yes, indeed. Let me see. I'll go this way. Turn right there. Where Kurt Snow say. Spot and turn y'all back. y'all. So I'm checking in, man, back at the house. Let that garage down, cause boy, it cold. But y'all seen, man, we did some late night mobbing, man. We did some late night mobbing or whatever. Like I said, that be going down, man. I'm telling you, that's why I like people on the internet. Hey, I ain't had none of them clowns come through, cause man, I shut them down, man. But I ain't had no clown come through in a long time, but they still be watching. And I be waiting for opportunity to give it to them. But yeah, it be a lot of that going on, man, behind the scenes. Like, that's what I do. That's why I make sure my program right, man. The BCG Hangout, they done seen what I do behind the scenes. If you in the BCG Hangout, then you already know it's gonna be a lot more. Y'all gonna see it. But I gave y'all a little sample of it. But yeah, I really do that. So I was like, man, I came back. I was like, man, I might well go ahead and do some late night stuff while I'm at it, call. Y'all know we bust some blocks, but I ain't really turn up that much, man. Of course, it wasn't that many people out like that or nothing. And I ain't bust a lot of blocks, but y'all know we did. We went with old shop, but you know, we ain't spend no ties, man. Y'all know what I mean? We ain't do that. But anyway, but that's what we be doing, man. Like I said, it was a good day all in all. Like I said, man, I got some bangers coming for y'all, man. I'm gonna keep the heat coming. All of that. We got some stuff playing, man. We got some stuff playing, all like I say, man. So you know, we just gonna keep it rolling and make it do what it do and all that good stuff. So yeah, man, I'm finna get in the house cause it cold and I'm finna get to work and get to editing, all that other good stuff. So yeah, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.